Masjid Raya Mujahidin in Pontianak is the largest mosque in West Kalimantan Province and stands as one of the most prominent Islamic landmarks in the Equator City. It was first inaugurated by President Soeharto on October 23, 1978, coinciding with Pontianak's 207th anniversary. A major renovation and expansion project began in 2011 and was completed with a re-inauguration by President Joko Widodo on January 20, 2015. The mosque building spans around 60 by 60 meters and has 2 floors accommodating up to 9,000 worshippers at once. Located on a site covering approximately 4 to 6.5 hectares, the complex includes a spacious parking area, plazas, and supporting facilities. Architecturally, it combines traditional West Kalimantan design elements with Islamic motifs, including large supporting pillars and a grand dome that symbolizes the city. More than just a place of worship, the mosque also serves as a center for Islamic study, preaching, and various religious activities such as Friday prayer, Tarawih, and Eid celebrations. It offers complete facilities including ablution areas, bathrooms, multimedia systems, a multipurpose hall, and offices for the mosque foundation. The name Mujahidin reflects a spirit of struggle not only in the context of independence but also in spreading Islamic teachings and building religious awareness. Located on Jalan Ahmad Yani in South Pontianak, The mosque is also a popular religious tourism destination known for its beauty and significance in the spiritual life of both locals and visitors.